Well, dear students, welcome to our learning portal. We have studied about sets and relations, Cartesian products, and today also we have learned sets yesterday. And today we are going to learn about functions after being learned about relations. In relation F, actually function is a special type of relation, okay? A relation F from set A to set B is said to be a function if every element of set A has one and only one image in set B, okay? A unique and distinct image. Or F is a function from set A to set B such that the domain is A, entire A, no element should be left out, and no two distinct ordered pairs in F have the same first element. No two distinct ordered pairs in F have the same first element. Okay? So for example, F1 is a relation 2, 1, the ordered pairs, collection of ordered pairs 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2. F2 is again 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4. सो अगर इसको पिक्चरियल प्रेजेंटेशन करेंगे या इसको अगर देखें हम लोग अच्छी तरह से, if you look at this collection of ordered pairs, here F1 is a function because you see 2 is going to 1, 3 is also going to 1, and 4 is going to 2. No problem with that because, no, इसमें no two, what is that? No, say to a function, for every element set A has one and only one image, okay? Or no two distinct ordered pairs in F have the same first element. First elements यहाँ पे अलग अलग है. See, therefore it is a function. Okay? Here if you see the collections, 2 is going to 2, 2 is going to 4. 3 is going to 3, 4 is going to 4. Here no problem about that. But these two ordered pairs have a problem. 2 is going to 2, 2 is again going to 4. One-many relation. It's not a function. So this is not going to be a function. So now here F1 is a function, F2 is a function. Now some pictorial presentations let us come to see. F1, you see X1 is coming here, X2 is going to 2, the X3 is, X4 is this. 1 is left out here. So you have to write down is F1 is a function. In case it is a function, then you have to write domain and range and codomain. Now coming to this pictorial presentation. F2 is a relation from set X to set Y. X1 has an image, X2 has image, X3 has image, everyone has an image. You need to see whether it is F2 is a function. In case it is a function, you need to write the domain of F2, range of F2 and codomain of F2. Come to the third one, pictorial presentation, F3. Here also looking into the mappings, looking into the images, okay, you need to say that is F3 a function? In case you feel so, then you need to write a domain and range and codomain of that function. Coming to F4, there are two sets here given. All are going to 1. Is F4 a function? You need to come out with the logic. If you feel function, then you need to write domain, range and codomain. Okay? So we will take some special examples here to find the domain and range. Find the domain and range of the functions. Suppose f of x is modulus function. इसके बारे में I will explain now what is that modulus function. And another question is f of x is under root 9 minus. Both are real valued functions, real number functions. Okay. Modulus x is a function. Modulus x is x if for all x greater than or equal to 0. Modulus x is minus x if x is less than 0. For example, modulus 3 will be 3. Okay, for greater than or equal to 0, 3, 3. Modulus minus 3, because here it will come, x is less than 0. So modulus minus 3 will be minus of minus 3 and that is 3. That means modulus function is always positive. Modulus function is always positive for all values of real values. Therefore, now f of x अगर question में f of x is minus of modulus x दिया है. So x we are free to take any value, so domain will be set of all real numbers. We are free to take any value we can put. Domain, there is no problem with that. Now coming to the range. Modulus function will be always positive. But what will happen to that positive value if negative value is preceding it? Negative value is negative sign is there. So all will be ultimately negative values will come. So range will be all the negative r or minus infinity to 0. All the set of real numbers which are less than 0. So set of all negative real numbers will be the range. Coming to the next question. We need to find domain and range of this question. F of x is under root 9 minus x square, a real function. So for real value, you know that in class 10th you must have studied. For real roots, under d, that discriminant must be greater than or equal to 0. Okay? So under root 9 minus x square must be greater than or equal to 0 to be defined over real. So 9 minus x square can be written as a square minus b square, 3 square minus this, a plus b into a minus b. If both are greater than 0, then okay, either both are positive or both are negative. Then only this will have. We can, by the way, we can find out the two values of like that. Okay, by equating. So domain will be minus 3 से 3 तक जाएगा. Including. So minus 3 से बड़ा, 3 से छोटा, x strictly or x is greater than or equal to minus 3, less than or equal to 3. What will be the range? If you substitute the values, minus 3 if you put, here it will come 0. 3 if you will put, here also it will come 0. Minus 3 से बड़ा होते करते करते जाओ, you will find some value. Okay? But 0 will be the less value. If you put 0, minus 3 से 3 आते आते 0 भी आएगा. So 9, root 9 is 3. So greatest value in the range will be 3 and smallest value will be 0. Therefore range will be a set of all x such that all the real values greater than or equal to 0 and less than 3. So if you have understood these, okay, these questions, then I will assign you to these questions. Find the domain and range of the real value, okay, real function. Find the domain and range of the real value function of the modulus functions. Hope you have understood these steps, and these are the, and also I need, you must come up with the, here the suggestions, F1, F2, F3, F4. Okay.